Hi guys, in this lesson I just wanted to teach you an important concept around how network address translation works for public addresses. So let's have a look at what I mean here. We have an EC2 instance. It has an Ethernet interface and it has a private IP. Now there's also a public IP address. Now one of the things you'll notice is that if you have a look in the command line, so if you run a tool such as ipconfig, ifconfig, or the IP address show eth0 command I've run here, it will show you the IP addresses on that particular interface. Now you'll note that we have the private IP address here. Now ordinarily in most servers, if you have a public IP address, it will be configured and you'd see it here. But on EC2 you don't. You only see the private IP address. The public IP address does not exist anywhere on your EC2 instance. Your instance doesn't know anything about this public IP address. And the reason for that is it's actually associated to the adapter. It's actually associated with the private address. Now, your instance doesn't know about that. That actually takes place externally to the instance, and it's performed by the Internet Gateway. So the Internet Gateway performs network address translation. It performs one-to-one NAT. What that means is when a packet goes out from your instance, it has a source address of the private IP, destination of whatever the address is on the internet. The NAT gateway will then change the source address to be the public or elastic IP address. And then when the return traffic comes back, it's destined to the public address, and the Internet Gateway will translate that to the private address. So we've seen before how NAT works. I just wanted to let you know that's actually taking place for the public IP addresses. So your instances don't actually see them. So that's important to understand. If you're playing around on the command line and looking for the IP and you can't see it there, that's why it's happening externally to the instance. So that's it, just a quick lesson to explain that concept to you, and I'll see you in the next lesson.